this is for all my VAs that want to use social media, Facebook, Craigslist. So first things first, when using a platform like this, you should already have an account if you don't have an account, creating one. So this is groups. Yeah, we go to groups. So immediately you see all the groups that I'm in. I'm in several different groups because I'm a real estate investor. I'm an acquisition manager for a large disposition company. So with that being said, I'm in multiple groups. But the reason why I said this, this right here is a bird dog. Let's click on high ticket sales. Let's go to something real estate I can show you. That's right here. Okay, so when you click on groups like this, read the description. So what we're looking for, like this right here, this is a wholesale deal. This is somebody wholesaling their property. So immediately I found somebody that's wholesaling their property. So you can do two things. You can call that number and go to their website, or you can message them right here in this message and say, immediately you can say, hey, I'm a bird dog. I have a buyer's list. Say something in that nature, and she'll reach out to you. You can drop your email. She'll reach out to you through your email. Another one, this is another wholesale deal. So he gave asking price, property review, property type, 2-bedroom, 1 bath, year built, is vacant. It's a 3 parking lot. It's a 3 car report. Community pool. It has a tax delinquent, meaning they owe a taxes on it around $1,000. HOA fee is $162. So as you can see, they give you pretty much everything that you need right here. This is how you know it's a wholesale deal. So immediately, one of the things that you could do immediately is just come down here and drop a comment. Hey, my name is blank blank blank. I'm a bird dog. I'm interested in partnering with you. If you can't get it sold, we would love to partner up. These are wholesale properties. This is a wholesale property. So you get an idea. You know, that's how you find a wholesale property. Also, so when looking for buyers, so let's see if we can find something really quick. So this is a wholesaler. But as you can see right here, this guy said, yes, I am. DM me for more details, please. So he said, any buyer. So immediately I would hit reply. And then I could start a message and say, hey, my name is blank. I'm a bird dog. You have to get their information. So you need to follow up. When looking for, we need to message groups, real estate, cashbuyers, as is properties. It's important that you understand those terms. Easy to get a deal, but it's very competitive because it has millions of views. People are looking at it. Eyeballs are constantly looking at it. So when you go to Craigslist, as you can see, I'm already signed in. I'm a double check. So when you go to Craigslist, the first thing you want to do, where it says your region, you hit this right here immediately. So what I suggest you to do, since majority of your leads are in the United States, you go to the United States. So you, again, my state is Minnesota, so it says Minnesota. You zoom out and then you come right there. Whatever either cash buyers or wholesaler you're in, you specifically focus in on that. So as of right now, I'm in Minnesota, so we're gonna focus in on the Minnesota. This is gonna be a quick video just to show you what to look for. You got two options. You can either go here to real estate sold. Now looking at all this real estate sold, these are people, homeowners, agents, brokers, wholesalers. These are a bunch of people. So you don't have to do this, but this is what I like to do. I like to sort it from old. The reason why is because if you sort it from old, these are going to expire first. They will not be there in the next couple of days, depending on how long it's been sitting there. So this may be your last time seeing it. See, it's been sitting there for a month. It hasn't been sold yet. So this could be a good opportunity for you to hit reply. They got a contact number, so now we can give them a call and ask them specific questions, or we can get that email right there, click on that email and create an email directly. Now you can ask them two things: is this a wholesale property or owner occupied? The reason why we asking those questions is because when you're using Craigslist, we don't specifically know if this is a wholesale deal unless it says a wholesale deal. So you can see there's a lot of real estate that you could be talking to or messaging people on. I advise you to go through this, figure out what you like, what you don't like, start calling. Another thing, let me go to the home. So as you can see, I just clicked the Craigslist. It takes me back to the home market. Another thing you want to look at, where it says services real estate. That's important. The reason why that's important, immediately, it just brought me to a bunch of people that are in the real estate space. So these are people that are working with other real estate people. Why is that important? Because 9 out of 10, they know other people that may have a property for sale. They know people that may be bird dogging. They know people that may have a buyer. They know people that may have a wholesaler. So having that conversation is very important. Having that conversation is very important. Right now, see, this is a handyman. He fixes broken houses. So by me knowing that, immediately I would want to contact him and message him directly and say, hey, blank, my name is blah, blah, blah. I'm a bird dog. I am interested in partnering with you. Do you have or know anybody that is buying properties or selling properties, or do you know any wholesalers? So immediately that just gave me access to another outlet. So as you can see, it's a lot of real estate people. This is a painter. He paints a lot of houses. Another thing that you could do is this. So immediately when I opened the parameter, you see, do you need a household? This is a wholesaler. This is a wholesaler for anybody that is either on wholesaling or even the buyers. This would be a good contact, a good person to reach out to. Hey, my name is blank, blank, blank. I'm a bird dog. I have a buyers list. I'm trying to see, would you be interested in partnering with us? Do you have any properties under contract? Or vice versa, that this could be a cash buyer. Hey, my name is blank. Trying to see, are you interested in purchasing any properties at this time? I'm a bird dog. I understand different wholesalers buy and hold, and some wholesalers, they wholesale. So this conversation, it can go very smooth and very quickly. You can hit reply right there once it loads. Or you can hit, as you can see, reply email. So now I can click on it and click email, or I can copy this right here and put it in the email. So it gave me his phone number. I can reach out to him directly and give him a call or maybe a text. So guys, this is how you use social media. It's very simple, very easy. All right, thank you guys. Have a nice day.